was an important day in the yard. Everyone was busy and excited, making notes and taking photographs. Making excited notes and taking fucking busy and notes. Who's that? Whispered Thomas to Duck. That, said Duck proudly, is an engine. Oh, what? Asked Percy. An engine, replied Duck. Oh, said Thomas. He probably are too vain. Yes, just we note to and what? Asked Percy. Just then, Gordon arrived. And he steamed away. What? Later that night, the engines found that the visitor wasn't an engine. He enjoyed talking to the other engines till long after the engines came out. Durley, Gordon. Fuck you, said Thomas. He went 100 miles an hour before you went 100 miles an hour. I never boast, but Duck took some trucks called Edward to Edward Station. Well, hell, called Edward. Came famous into the He whistled me. He's the finest fucking engine in the fucking world, replied Duck. Take no notice. He's coming now. Gordon's wheels pounded the rails. He did it, I'll do it. He did it, I'll do it. Gordon's train rocketed past and was gone. Chuckled Duck. Steady, Gordon, called his driver. We aren't running a race. On the viaduct, they met the wind. It was a teasing wind which blew suddenly in hard puffs to push Gordon off the bridge.
In memory of the dead, he never knew what life was.
No, you